A car accident lawyer is a personal injury attorney who specializes in representing individuals involved in car accidents. Their main job is to help accident victims get compensation for injuries, property damage, lost wages, and emotional distress caused by another driver's negligence or reckless behavior. Key role and responsibilities of a car accident lawyer. Here are the major responsibilities. Case evaluation. The lawyer reviews the details of your accident, determines who was at fault, estimates how much compensation you may be entitled to. 2. Evidence collection. Gathers police reports, witness statements, dashcam footage, and photos. Works with medical professionals to document injuries. May hire accident reconstruction experts. A car accident lawyer helps people who have been injured or suffered losses in road accidents. They guide clients through legal processes, handle insurance claims, and fight for fair compensation. With strong knowledge of accident laws and negotiation skills, they ensure victims get justice and financial recovery for medical bills, lost wages, and vehicle damage. Having a professional lawyer by your side after an accident can make the legal journey much easier and more successful. Dealing with insurance companies. Handles all communication with the insurance company, prevents clients from accepting low settlement offers, negotiates for fair compensation. 4. Filing a lawsuit, if needed. If a fair settlement isn't reached, the lawyer files a lawsuit in court, represents you during court proceedings, argues your case before a judge or jury. 5. Ensuring fair compensation. A skilled lawyer ensures you're compensated for medical bills, current and future, lost wages and reduced earning capacity, property damage, vehicle repair or replacement, pain and suffering, emotional distress, long-term disability or rehabilitation. The importance of protecting clients from unfair or low settlement offers made by insurance companies. It emphasizes the role of legal professionals in ensuring fair compensation for damages, medical bills, lost wages, pain, and emotional distress. When fair settlements aren't reached, filing a lawsuit in court becomes essential to secure justice. The image promotes awareness about standing up against insurance company tactics and ensuring rightful financial recovery for clients. Dollar banknote. How car accident lawyers charge fees. Most car accident lawyers work on a contingency fee basis, meaning you don't pay unless they win your case. Common fee structure: 33% to 40% of the final settlement or court award. No upfront payment required. If they lose, you owe nothing, except sometimes small administrative costs. Why you should hire a car accident lawyer. Expert knowledge: they understand local traffic laws and insurance policies. Negotiation skills: experienced in getting higher settlements. Stress relief: handle paperwork, insurance calls, and court filings. Medical access: can connect you with doctors who work on liens, payment after settlement. Maximize compensation: ensure no damages are left unclaimed. When you're involved in a car accident, dealing with insurance companies and medical bills can be stressful. That's where a car accident lawyer helps. They not only understand traffic laws but also fight to get you the maximum compensation you deserve. Most of them charge on a contingency basis, meaning you don't pay unless they win. With expert negotiation skills, they handle paperwork, insurance claims, and even connect you with doctors who wait for payment until your case settles. Hiring a car accident lawyer gives you peace of mind, ensures fair treatment, and increases your chances of winning a better settlement. Steps in a car accident case: initial consultation, usually free. Case investigation: collect evidence, talk to witnesses, claim filing with insurance companies. Negotiation for settlement. Lawsuit filing, if settlement fails. Discovery process, exchange of evidence. Trial or settlements. Payment of compensation documents. You'll need police accident report, medical records and bills, car repair estimates, photos, videos of the accident, insurance details, yours and the other drivers, pay stubs, for lost wages, witness contact information. The key steps and documents needed in a car accident case. The process begins with an initial consultation, followed by case investigation and claim filing with insurance companies. Next comes the discovery process, trial or settlement, and finally the payment of compensation, To file a successful claim, essential documents include the police accident report, medical records and bills, photos or videos of the accident, car repair estimates, insurance details, and pay stubs for any lost wages. Having this ready helps ensure a smooth and fair compensation process. How to choose the right car accident lawyer experience. Look for lawyers specializing in motor vehicle accident claims. Reputation. Check online reviews, client testimonials, or local bar association listings. Success rate. Ask about their record of settlements and verdicts. Communication. Choose someone who keeps you updated and explains things clearly. Contingency policy. Make sure you understand the fee agreement. When to hire a car accident lawyer, you should contact a lawyer as soon as possible if you suffered serious injuries, the other driver was uninsured or underinsured, the insurance company offers a low settlement, liability, fault is disputed, you're facing high medical bills or long-term recovery. After a car accident, finding the right lawyer can make a major difference in the outcome of your case. When selecting a car accident lawyer, consider their experience and specialization, reputation, and track record of success. A good lawyer should have strong communication skills and a clear fee structure, often working on a contingency basis, meaning they only get paid if you win. You should hire a car accident lawyer if you've suffered serious injuries, face disputed liability, or are dealing with an uninsured driver. It's also wise to seek legal help if an insurance company offers a low settlement or if you need long-term recovery support. Having the right attorney ensures your rights are protected and helps you secure the compensation you deserve. Common mistakes to avoid after an accident. Don't admit fault at the scene. Don't sign any documents without legal review. Don't post about the accident on social media. Don't delay medical treatment. It can hurt your claim. Don't accept the first offer from an insurance company. Top U.S. states where car accident lawyers are in high demand. Car accidents are a leading cause of personal injury claims across the United States. With millions of vehicles on the road and diverse state laws governing liability, insurance, and compensation, the demand for car accident lawyers remains strong nationwide. However, certain states experience higher accident rates, more complex legal systems, and denser traffic conditions, factors that make legal assistance especially vital. Below are the top U.S. states where car accident lawyers are in particularly high demand. California. Heavy traffic and complex legal framework. California consistently ranks among the top states for car accidents, largely due to its vast population and heavy urban traffic. Major cities like Los Angeles, San Francisco, and San Diego are notorious for gridlock and congestion, which contribute to a high number of collisions every year. Additionally, California's comparative negligence laws and stringent insurance regulations make legal representation essential for both plaintiffs and defendants. Lawyers in this state must navigate complicated liability rules and deal with insurance companies that often contest fault and damages aggressively. Key factors: high vehicle density and traffic congestion. Comparative negligence laws. Significant accident-related litigation. In this state, car accident lawyers play a crucial role in guiding clients through the challenges of heavy traffic-related incidents and intricate legal frameworks. California's roads are among the busiest in the nation, leading to frequent accidents that often involve multiple parties and disputed liabilities. Attorneys must interpret comparative negligence laws, negotiate with insurers, and ensure victims receive fair compensation for injuries and property damage. Their work involves careful document review, client counseling, and strategic case preparation, as seen in the images, all essential in achieving justice within one of the country's most complex traffic and legal systems. Key highlights: high accident rates due to urban congestion. Lawyers managing intricate comparative fault cases. Intensive document and evidence review processes. Client-focused legal guidance for fair settlements. Texas. High rate of vehicle collisions. Texas has one of the largest networks of highways and one of the highest numbers of registered vehicles in the country. With this extensive road system comes an alarming rate of motor vehicle collisions, ranging from urban fender benders in Houston and Dallas to severe rural crashes on highways. Like car accident lawyers in Texas are frequently needed to handle catastrophic injury claims, commercial truck accidents, and insurance disputes, especially in areas where fault is heavily contested. Key factors: high number of vehicle fatalities annually, large commercial trucking presence, rapid population and vehicle growth.